that when you really think about going after all students and open access, one of the components that you really have to be thoughtful about is how do we get kids here and what barriers can we take out so that it doesn't stop a child. When you say all, you have to have a place where all really can come and be successful.
At all 6 of the elementary schools in the city, they all have iSTEM labs. So all of the students within the city schools are receiving the same education in iSTEM and being able to match that to the classroom and the iSTEM lab. The hands-on experience definitely helps them to be engaged and be interested, and hopefully get some of our learners that might struggle in other situations to be able to understand the concepts.
When students see that their learning can be applied beyond the classroom, beyond the school, that really makes learning meaningful. And our STEM program is all about actualizing what they're learning. In a community like Charlottesville, we have access to community college experts, university experts, parental experts, field experiences, and why not tap into those resources that are all around us.
One of the great things about our program, and one of the reasons that I was enticed to come here 4 years ago, there are no applications. Any child in our school system can be in this program at any time. We have amazing instructors that have put components in place that allow us to accept all students and to move them as far along as we can. And I think that's what makes us unique.